let's find out the names of 16 different wild animals. Part 1 of 6. The first one on our list for the day is the cheetah. Cheetah. The next wild animal on our list is the panther. Panther. Then we have lion. Lion. Next is tiger. Tiger. Then we have gorilla. Gorilla. Next is monkey. Monkey. Then we have jaguar. Jaguar. The next animal on our list is the fox. Fox. Then we have hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Next is bear. Bear. Then we have deer. Deer. Next is elephant. Elephant. The next wild animal on our list is the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. The next animal on our list is the tapir. Tapir. The next wild animal on our list for the day is the capybara. Capybara. And the last one on our list for the day is the anteater. Anteater. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.